Hello everyone, once again welcome to Beena's Rasoi. Today I am going to make green gram dal dosa, which is also known as Pesuruttu dosa in South. So let's look at the ingredients. I have taken 1 whole cup of green gram dal and 1/4 cup of rice. Now over here I have washed the dal. So now to it I am going to add water. Now over here I am going to add 1 cup of water to the rice, and we need to soak this for at least 8 to 9 hours. Now I have drained the water from both, you can see. Now to this I am going to add the ingredients. So let's have a look. Now over here I have taken 3 of green chilies, 4 to 5 curry leaves, 2 to 3 pieces of ginger and half cup of coriander leaves. Now I'm going to add this to my blender. So we need to put this green gram dal. Along with the rice. And to this I'm going to add the other ingredients, that is coriander leaves, curry leaves, green chili, ginger, salt as per taste and little of water. Now you can see our batter is ready. You can see the consistency of the batter. It's like a dosa batter. And the good thing about this batter is we did not have to do the fermentation for this. Directly you can make dosas. Now I have transferred the batter to the bowl. Now I'm going to stir with the spoon. Finally I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of rava. This is a normal rava which I have taken. And again I am going to mix it well. Now my pan is hot. So for that I'll just sprinkle little of water so that it will become normal. And then immediately I'll pour the spoonful of the batter on the pan. And this I'm going to spread it all around. You can just spread it across as much as dosa size you can make. You've got a big dosa over here now. And finally I'm going to apply little of oil on the edges so that it can be removed easily. And then I'm going to cover it with the lid. Now you can see it's already left from the edges. So now our dosa is ready. So over here I'm going to make 3-fold of a dosa. So you can see how crispy it has become. And this I have made a 3-fold. And now this is ready to serve on the dish. I'm going to make another dosa. So the process is same. I'll apply a little of oil all over the pan. In the same way I'm going to make the second dosa. Need to spread out all across. Then little of oil again on the edges. Little of at the center. And then cover the lid. Here you can see the color has been changed. Our dosa is ready. So again I'm going to give the fold. This dosa is very nice to taste and it really becomes very crispy. So here it is. Gram dosa is ready to serve. It's a nutritional recipe with a lot of proteins and iron. So please do try this recipe and enjoy. So if you like this recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and give your comments.